Through some SEC filings on Friday, we found out that Netflix has opened a new $500 million revolving credit facility and another $250 million incremental credit facility. They already hold $5 billion, just shy of $5 billion of debt. Now, this isn't debt yet, right? Like, they just have the opportunity to go ahead and use this if they foresee it. Now, it's going to come due July 27th, 2022. At either a flexible interest rate that they're gonna choose what type of flex they're gonna take, the interest rate that fluctuates, or they're gonna take LIBOR plus I think it's 0.75%. And they've said they plan on using debt to continue to grow. They're going to keep spending money to keep putting out content, doing all this kind of stuff. So we knew this was coming from Netflix from their earnings call a couple of weeks ago. This is their plan going forward. So they've opened a new $500 million credit facility, another $250 million incremental one. They don't plan on using this right away, but it's nice to have it on hand. They've got $2 and a little bit billion on hand as far as cash goes, but they want to have as much money as possible that they can go out and spend without having to worry about paying it back right now. This is something that they foresee their company in a very, very early stages of growth still. I mean, in the price to earnings and price to book, that stuff would all tell me that that's exactly what this is. This is a growth company that still has 10 or 15 years to maturity. We're going to see a lot of things in the industry that they're involved in, content streaming basically, change in the next 10 or 15 years to the point where we might not see theaters anymore. You might see premium video on demand coming right to you. It may be coming to you right through Netflix, who's clearly the leader in this industry, bar none. It doesn't make a difference what YouTube or anybody else does. When we're talking about content made by the big content creators, the big studio houses, obviously Netflix rules the roost. They're opening up a little more credit just to make sure they've got all their options open.